The Air Force is very effective against the air forces of many countries thanks to the many fighter jets they have. Seriously, countries have an inventory that includes fighter aircraft, transport aircraft, and many aircraft. The French Air Force was founded in 1909. The French Air Force is the fourth largest in NATO after the USA, Turkey, and the UK. It's the Air Force. It has a total of 976 aircraft. Most of France's fighter jets are fighter jets. France has 226 combat aircraft and 119 transport aircraft, 141 training aircraft, 440 helicopters, 68 attack helicopters. The Turkish Air Force was founded in 1911. The Air Force has 1,083 aircraft. The most of these aircraft are fighter jets. In addition, Turkey has the third most powerful air force in NATO. The Air Force has 200 combat aircraft, 84 transport aircraft, 280 training aircraft, 508 helicopters, and 111 attack helicopters. The Egyptian Air Force was established in 1932. It has a total of 1,093 aircraft and 30,000 personnel. Egypt is the country with the most fighter aircraft in the region. It has 238 combat aircraft and 345 training aircraft, with 60 transport aircraft and 340 helicopters and 100 attack helicopters. The Pakistan Air Force was established in 1947. The Pakistan Air Force has 1,400 aircraft and 70,000 personnel. Pakistan is the third country in Asia with the most aircraft. The Air Force has 328 combat aircraft and 64 transport aircraft, as well as 565 training aircraft and 373 helicopters and 57 attack helicopters. 6. The Japanese Air Force was founded in 1954. The Japanese Air Self-Defense Force has 1,443 aircraft and 50,000 personnel. Japan has a serious air force in Asia. The Air Force has 217 combat aircraft, 55 transport aircraft, 401 training aircraft, and 596 helicopters and 110 attack helicopters. 5. The Republic of Korea Air Force was established in 1949. The Air Force has 1,592 aircraft and 65,000 personnel. Most of South Korea's aircraft are fighter jets. The Air Force has 315 combat aircraft and 41 transport aircraft, as well as 318 training aircraft and 807 helicopters and 111 attack helicopters. 4. The Indian Air Force was established in 1950. India has 300,000 personnel with 2,200 aircraft. India is one of the countries with the largest number of fighter jets. The Air Force has 513 combat aircraft, 270 transport aircraft, 351 training aircraft, 899 helicopters, and 80 attack helicopters.
Which are indigenously developed and mark an important milestone in our aviation industry. Please look to half left 11 o'clock and see the airplanes and hide and prepares for a series of roles to impress you all. Airship picks up our nose and
哇，这个声音厉害哦！
3. The Chinese Air Force was established in 1949. China has 3,309 aircraft and 400,000 personnel. China is the country with the most aircraft in Asia. The Air Force has 1,200 combat aircraft, 289 transport aircraft, and 402 training aircraft, as well as 913 helicopters and 281 attack helicopters. Two. The Russian Air Force was established in 1992. Russia has 4,100 aircraft and 150,000 personnel. Russia is the country with the most aircraft in Asia. The Air Force has 833 combat aircraft, 456 transport aircraft, and 347 tanker aircraft, 611 training aircraft, as well as 1,651 helicopters and 557 attack helicopters. One. The U.S. Air Force was established in 1947. The U.S. has 13,000 aircraft and 300,000 personnel. The USA is the country with the most aircraft in the world and has a serious air power. The Air Force has 1,790 combat aircraft, 918 transport aircraft, and 2,647 training aircraft, as well as 5,843 helicopters and 1,002 attack helicopters.